Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 8th of December 2024. I'll be going over my weekly predictions for gold. This is XAU USD. As usual, I'll be going over the monthly, weekly, and finally the daily charts. And then I'll switch over to the Excel sheet where we'll review last week's prediction and this one in more detail. But before getting into this video, it is important to make the disclaimer that all information here is completely educational and therefore it is important to conduct your own analysis, whatever analysis that may be, to ensure that you're comfortable with the risk, reward, and trading style, since you may not be with mine. But with that out of the way, let's get into the video. Now, monthly charts for gold have been quite interesting. We are in this long-term uptrend. The month of November was largely bearish for gold. We can see this resembles a tweezer top pattern, which is actually a reversal pattern. We can see that the start of December has been rough for gold, is a decrease. So if we see more confirmation, this may actually be a strong bearish signal. One thing to be wary of is the size of this lower wick. This means that gold recovered quite significantly, and therefore do keep in mind that there is kind of a mixed sentiment right now. But this in itself is a tweezer top pattern, so it is actually bearish. MACD is positive, however the histogram is starting to decline, and the RSI does overarchingly support this bullish trend, so we do need some more confirmation before being able to say that this is a strong bearish indicator. But that's it from the monthly charts. Weekly charts, again, show kind of a similar pattern. We have a long uptrend, however there was a huge decline in gold. We see that it touched a low of 2,536.73. However, it rebounded up very significantly, but then it went back down again, which is why we have this weird zigzaggy sort of pattern. MACD, however, has given us a bearish signal, and RSI is confirming a downward price movement as well. So that's what we get from the weekly charts. We get a bunch of bearish signals, so we will keep a kind of bearish bias. Now, clearly here, again, daily charts, we can see we are in this trading range, so a breakout is where we will take a position. That's how I've set up the entries. MACD clearly showing this as well. We are in a very clear congestion. We can see by the size of the histogram, RSI shows this as well. So we will need a strong breakout to be able to take a trade in either position. And that's the view which we'll be going with this week. Now, moving to the Excel sheet, we can see that there's no trade yet. Of course, we'll wait for the candlesticks or the price to cross 2,667 to buy. And when it falls below, if it falls below 2,605, then we will sell with a target of 2% and a trailing stop loss of 1%. If neither are hit, then we will close on Friday. The weekly and monthly trend are up for gold, XAU USD. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.